4-story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Features also include rear view camera, steering wheel controls, sync, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. You are going to love the 2020 F-350 Super Duty. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 1,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, dual rear wheels. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, trip computer, power steering, passenger airbag on-off switch, vinyl seats. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.